saying, I need more vocabulary to be fluent. That's not why you freeze when someone talks to you. I'm Ben from Daily English Talks channel, and today we're breaking the fluency myth.
Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Ben, most people think fluency means knowing 10,000 words, but that's completely wrong, isn't it?
Exactly. Fluency is about one thing. Can you express your thoughts without long, awkward pauses? That's it. And we're going to show you exactly how to build that skill.
So let's start with the biggest mistake. People translate in their heads. They think in their native language, translate to English, then speak. That's why they're slow.
Yes, your brain becomes a Google translator, but slower. The solution is simple. Think directly in English, but start small.
What do you mean by start small, Ben?
Don't try to think complex thoughts in English. Start with simple observations. Like right now, I'm thinking, I'm sitting, I'm talking, I feel good. Simple sentences.
That's brilliant. So instead of thinking, I'm contemplating whether I should have coffee, you think, I want coffee.
Exactly. And here's the magic. Your brain learns to find English words faster when you practice simple thoughts daily.
Let's give people a practical example. Morning routine thinking.
Perfect. When you wake up, don't think in your language. Think, I'm waking up. I'm stretching. I'm getting out of bed. I'm going to the bathroom. Simple actions, simple English.
And if you don't know a word,
Don't stop. Use easier words. If you don't know stretching, think, I'm moving my arms. If you don't know bathroom, think, I need to go.
this is how confidence grows. You learn to continue speaking instead of freezing.
Now, the second key to fluency. Input patterns. Your brain needs to hear natural English phrases repeatedly.
Can you explain what you mean by patterns?
Sure. When you listen to easy English daily, your brain collects ready-made phrases like, that sounds good. I'm not sure. Let me check. I'll think about it.
And then when you speak, those phrases come out automatically, instead of you building each sentence word by word.
Exactly. It's like having pre-built sentence blocks ready to use. But here's the important part. The English must be at your level, not too difficult.
What happens if the English is too hard?
Your brain gets confused and stops collecting patterns. It's like trying to learn piano by listening to expert concerts. You need simple songs first.
So, what should people listen to for pattern building?
Easy podcasts, simple YouTube videos, basic English courses. 20 minutes daily is enough. The key is consistency, not intensity.
Now, let's talk about output practice because listening alone won't make you fluent.
Right. You must speak, even if you're alone. Your mouth needs practice, not just your brain.
Your mouth needs practice. That sounds funny, but it's true.
Think about it. Speaking is a physical skill. Your tongue, lips, and jaw need to learn English movements. Just like learning to play guitar, your fingers need practice.
So, what do you actually say when you practice alone?
Choose one simple topic. Today, my room. You can say, this is my bed. My desk is here. I have books. The window is big. I like this room. Simple descriptions.
Tomorrow, my day. Like, I woke up at 7. I had breakfast. I worked on my computer. I feel tired now.
Perfect. And here's a secret. Repeat the same topic for 1 week. Monday through Sunday, describe your room. By Sunday, you'll speak much faster.
Because your brain has those sentences ready. It's like having a speech prepared.
Now, key number 4. Don't chase speed, chase clarity.
This is so important. Many learners try to speak fast and then make more mistakes and get nervous.
If you speak clearly, speed comes naturally later. It's like learning to walk. First you walk well, then you run. Don't try to run immediately.
And Ben, what about pauses? People panic when they need to pause.
Pauses are normal, but use smart pause phrases. Let me think. How can I say this? 1 second. I'm not sure how to explain this.
Those phrases make you sound natural, not confused. Native speakers use them too.
Exactly. The problem isn't pausing. The problem is silent pausing. Silent pauses make people think you're lost.
Now let's address the fear of mistakes, because this stops so many people from speaking.
Here's the truth. Mistakes are completely normal. Even native speakers make mistakes. The real enemy is staying silent.
Mistakes are normal. Silence is the enemy. I love that.
If you want confidence, you must accept that mistakes will happen. Focus on your message first, grammar second. If people understand you, you're communicating successfully.
Let's give people a daily fluency plan they can follow.
Perfect. Here's a simple 15-minute routine. Think in English for 3 minutes. Simple sentences about what you see and do. Listen to easy English for 7 minutes. Same level content, not too challenging. Speak out loud for 4 minutes. Choose one topic and describe it. Repeat one phrase 10 times for 1 minute. Copy the rhythm and pronunciation.
I love that it's short. 15 minutes feels doable, not scary.
Consistency beats intensity. Daily practice for 15 minutes is better than studying for 3 hours once a week.
Now let's practice real-life situations where people need confidence.
Great idea. At a coffee shop. Hi, can I get a coffee, please? What sizes do you have? I'll take a medium. Thank you.
On the phone. Hello, this is Lily. Can you speak slower, please? I didn't understand. Can you repeat? Thank you for your help.
At work. I have a question. Can you explain again? I'm working on it. I'll finish it today.
These are sentence patterns people can memorize and use immediately.
And for conversations, learn these conversation helpers. Really? Why? What happened? That's interesting. Oh, wow.
Those are like conversation glue. They keep the conversation moving.
Lily, what happens when you try to speak English too fast?
My brain goes on vacation. It packs a suitcase and leaves.
And then what comes out of your mouth?
Hello, I am fine, thank you. Yes, goodbye.
The classic robot response. Everything in one sentence.
My name is Yes, I am good. How are coffee?
English.exe has stopped working.
Okay, back to helping people speak fluently.
Let's talk about accent worry, because many people think their accent prevents fluency.
Your accent is not the problem. Clear pronunciation is more important than perfect accent. Speak slowly and clearly.
And if someone doesn't understand you, it's okay to repeat. You can say, "Sorry, let me say that again." I mean, in other words,
Those phrases are so useful for maintaining confidence during misunderstandings.
now, repetition strategy for building fluent sentences. Choose one topic per week and practice it daily.
Week 1, food. I'm hungry. I like spicy food. This tastes good. I'm cooking dinner. What's for lunch?
Week 2, feelings. I'm happy. I feel tired. I'm excited. I'm worried about something. I feel much better now.
By the end of each week, those sentences come out automatically. That's real fluency.
Let's do our practice segment now. Repeat after us and focus on rhythm, not perfection. I want to speak English fluently.
I'm not perfect, but I keep practicing.
Can you repeat that, please?
Let me think for a second.
I'm working on my English every day.
People often ask me, should I learn more vocabulary to become fluent?
Vocabulary helps, but sentence patterns matter more. Knowing 500 words in useful patterns is better than knowing 2,000 random words.
Another question. What if I freeze during conversations?
Practice safe conversation starters at home first. Hi, how are you? What do you do? Where are you from? Prepare your responses.
How long does it take to become fluent?
That depends on daily practice. With 15 minutes daily, you'll notice improvement in 30 days. Real fluency takes 6 to 12 months of consistent practice.
And confidence?
Confidence grows with small successes. Start with one-sentence conversations. Build slowly. Celebrate every small victory.
So today we learned that fluency isn't about perfect grammar or huge vocabulary. It's about expressing thoughts smoothly with minimal pauses.
We covered thinking directly in English with simple sentences, collecting natural patterns through easy listening, daily speaking practice, and accepting mistakes as normal.
The daily routine: 3 minutes thinking, 7 minutes listening, 4 minutes speaking, 1 minute repetition. 15 minutes total.
And remember, one topic per week, use pause phrases, focus on clarity over speed, and celebrate small progress.
Homework time! Choose one room in your house and describe it in English for 2 minutes today. What room will you choose?
Write one sentence in the comments. I will describe my blank in English for 2 minutes.
We love reading your homework. If this lesson helped you feel more confident about English fluency, please like this episode and subscribe to Daily English Talks channel.
Share this with a friend who wants to speak English more fluently. Learning together makes it more fun.
See you in the next episode. Keep practicing every day. Bye-bye.